Hi guys, my name's Goddard. I'm a short-term rental host, home designer, and a licensed builder in Massachusetts. Since 2018, my wife Erica and I have been buying and renovating homes to be used as short-term rentals. We currently have 4 active listings, but we're always looking for new projects. What I want to do on this channel is take you guys through my daily routine, whether it's a property check, a repair, or a large renovation job. Everything I'm having to do at these homes is real world. Usually it's something that might come up in an emergency. We do a walkthrough and there's something that's broken and it immediately needs to be fixed. None of this is going to be staged or made up projects. You're going to follow along with me weekly as I go through all these houses and do the tasks right then and there. I'm going to give you guys some honest insights into the short-term rental world as well as DIY fix it yourself. Even though these properties are short-term rentals, what I'm doing is very applicable towards anybody who's handy or needs to fix something around their own home or is just into DIY. You're going to get an inside look at the challenges we face owning short-term rental, from daily maintenance issues to problems with guests. So as I go through these tasks, I may not get everything right, but usually we're on a time frame trying to get ready for the next guest, and we can't always get a contractor in a day or two. So we have to run to the property and do some of these tasks ourselves. And you're going to be right there with me, seeing how I'm doing it, what I'm doing it. I'm going to show you the tools, the methods. Sometimes it's going to be a quick repair that maybe somebody else wouldn't have wanted to do, but to get it rent ready that day, and we'll come back to it another time and do a full repair. So follow along with me as I show you all of our homes and the constant maintenance that they require.